Hey, I'm Bradford of the Penny Pinterest Guide to Personal Finance. In this video, we're going to cover what is the IRS Free File program, who qualifies, and then how to use it. To start, the IRS Free File program is a partnership between the IRS and various different tax preparation companies that partner together. And if you make less than $79,000 a year, adjusted gross income, you're going to be able to use some or all these different tax preparation softwares that are provided completely for free. Meaning while you do still have to pay your taxes, there's not really a way to get out of that. At least you don't have to pay somebody else to pay your taxes. A quick caveat on that income limit of the $79,000 a year AGI. That is a flat limit that applies regardless of what your filing status is. So it doesn't matter if you're single and you make that much, or if you're married and you're a dual income family, you are still limited to that $79,000 a year threshold to be able to get access to all of the different programs that are available. Now, there are other programs that are out there that do not have any sort of limit, but we'll touch on those at the end of the video. Now that we've defined what the IRS Free File program is, let's jump over to www.irs.gov to walk through how to use it. Great, now that we're on the IRS's homepage, to actually get to the IRS Free File program, you're gonna come down to the bottom here where it says File Your Taxes for Free. Click on that. Now within the IRS Free File umbrella, there's two different programs that are available. The first one is gonna be guided tax preparation, and that's generally what I'm gonna be referring to when I talk about the IRS Free File program. Because the second option, which does not have an income limit, and that's gonna be the free fillable forms. While previously, if you were filing when you first started out, maybe 5-10 years ago, to actually be able to e-file, you had to go through somebody, whether it was a CPA or using one of the various tax preparation softwares out there, TurboTax being the most notable one. That was really the only way that you as an individual could actually e-file your taxes. But now with this option, you can actually go in and you can get all the same tax documents that you would be able to just print out with a PDF form, but you can fill them out on the IRS's website, and then you can actually save and submit them and e-file yourself without having to go through a third party. But the focus of this video specifically is going to be using the actual free guided tax preparation, which does have that income threshold of the $79,000 AGI. So let's explore what that is right here. Sweet, so now that we're on this page, you basically have two options to be able to move forward. They have a guide that's gonna step you through some questions that'll be able to narrow down which of the different softwares that are available are actually applicable to you in your specific situation. And that's gonna be going through Find Your Trusted Partner. Now, on the other hand, if you just want to go in and say, hey, what are all the options available, and then figure out which ones you can and cannot use, that's just going to be going through Browse All the Trusted Partners. So starting out, let's go through Find Your Trusted Partner, and I'm just going to be throwing out some random information that doesn't really apply to me, but kind of replicates what my individual situation is. So Find Your Trusted Partner. Now this one, it's going to take you through 4 steps. You have the general, figuring out what is your adjusted gross income, figuring out whether or not you are applicable for the Earned Income Tax Credit, the EITC, and then giving you the actual results, which you can take and choose from there. So starting out, figuring out what your filing status is. For this one, I'm gonna say married filing jointly. Who's gonna be the primary tax person? For me, I'm gonna say myself. What is your age? I'm 29 at the time of this. And then what is your home address? I'm just gonna say, live in the US. What state do you live in? Let's just say I live in Alabama. And then for a free state tax return, select your state. I'm also gonna say Alabama. Now say, hey, did you receive any active duty military pay that has an AGI of 79,000 or less? I'm gonna say just yes, and then next page. Now this is what we're determining our AGI or adjusted gross income is. So from here, say, hey, I didn't have any income, which case you're probably not that worried about filing taxes. But for this one, I'm just gonna say all my income came from wages, tips, or other compensation, and that's what you're gonna be getting from your Form W-2 that your employer should be giving you. And just for ease, I'm gonna say, hey, I made $75,000 this year, which is below the threshold, so it's actually gonna give me some of the options. I didn't have any other sort of income, at least for this situation, so I'm gonna go next. Now, hey, am I eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit? I already know based on making $75,000 in this situation that is too high of an income to be eligible, but I'm just gonna say, hey, I do have 2 dependents, and I'm gonna say, no, I know I'm not eligible. So continuing on. And now this is where it's actually giving us the IRS Free File online results. So it's going to tell you, hey, these are the various tax programs that you are actually eligible for. So fileyourtaxes.com, Free Tax USA, etc. And it goes through there. And then it gives you some pertinent information that kind of summarizes what these various programs offer. So it goes through, hey, what is the AGI that limited for that specific program? So for this one, it's gonna be between $8,500 and then $79,000. You gotta be 64 or younger. The federal return is gonna be free in all states. The state return is gonna be free in some states, and you have to click on that to figure out whether or not you apply. It talks about the EITC. So if you meet the age and the AGI criteria, it will actually include that additional information, the tax form that you need to get the EITC. And the last part is it talks about, is military pay included? Now, really the differentiator there is, did you have some sort of tax exclusive pay that you're not paying taxes on? Whether or not the software is actually going to be able to take that into account. And then the last part is it basically says same criteria to apply when filing with a foreign address. And you can go through the different tax programs that are available here, and it's going to give you some of the same general highlights. Now, let's actually go back to the main page, and we're going to go through seeing, hey, what are all the different tax preparation softwares that are available? So let's go there. Now we're going to do browse all trusted partners. And so from here, you can use their filter tool. You can throw in adjusted gross income, throw in age, EITC, active duty military, country, state, and then figuring out if you can actually get a free state filing as well. Because just please note, the IRS Free File program, because it is the IRS, that only applies to your federal taxes. But this program does give you some additional information that can help you figure out if any of these specific tax preparation tools are going to help you file your state return for free as well. So you can come down here and say, hey, what are all the different programs that are partnered with the IRS in the IRS Free File program? So some of those we already saw in the scenario that I played through already, but basically it lets you click through and see what all of them are. And as it figures out, actually there's only 4 partners at this current time. TurboTax was a partner in previous years, but they dropped off a couple years ago. So as of right now, there are only 4 total partners that you can use with the IRS Free File program. Now we have a good baseline for how the IRS Free File program works, but you might still need some more information to help you. Either you don't like the programs that are provided, maybe you make too much money to qualify, or you just prefer to file the taxes yourself. We have a full walkthrough of the most common tax forms right here in our Tax 101 playlist. Whether you're filing a 1040, a 1065, you're an entrepreneur with a sole proprietorship filing a Schedule C, we cover all those most common forms and can hopefully answer most of your questions that you have. Thanks for watching, and from your first penny to your first million, we're here to help.